Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Tuesday, June 4th, 2013. Market's bearish today and actually breaks a streak. The last 20 Tuesdays in a row, the markets have been bullish. Today on number 21 we go bearish. Who counts this stuff? It is crazy, the patterns that people find. The S&P down 0.55%, the Dow down 0.5%, Nasdaq down 0.6%, Russell's down 0.86%, banks off 0.87%, with the VIX down. Even with the markets being down, VIX should have ticked higher, so the VIX did not confirm today's downward movement. Gold choppy last few days. Silver and gold both down almost a full percent. Crude oil up a fraction. US dollar up also a fraction. S&P daily, we have a really nice, you can't call this a bull pullback, this is more of what's called a bull flag. Go to the chart school at the website, and that chart school, look up bull flag and you'll see what I'm talking about. I do put a lot of lines, but my lines mean a lot to me. However, when I do these videos, I know I do it at the peril of individuals being confused because of just the explosion of lines that I have on my videos. I'll show you a couple things. Look at the two red lines going higher, these two trend lines going higher. We were in this nice uptrend. Now we go into this choppy downward pullback, this correction, which does drop below the 20 SMA. The big line that I've been talking about, resistance, resistance, support, support, and then resistance broken on a big candlestick, that can act as resistance going into the future. You'll see that I pulled a Fibonacci here, and this Fibonacci brings us down to finding support at 38.2%. With the tweezer bottom, there is a really good chance of a sizable rally taking place here. But I would be looking at big resistance at 1648 to 1650 area, and also this trend line going higher. And both those areas should act as resistance, and that means we need to get above 1656 or so. Whatever this leg is, you could see about an 80% rally of that, so I could definitely see us going back higher to this upper trend line. That's if this bull flag is confirmed with a breakout on volume. Outside of that, things going down are going down. So if we start to break down, especially if we go below this lower purple trend line, indigo trend line, all bets are off. You should find support about 1610. If I pull up a line chart, a lot of people question, like, how do you draw your trend lines? They don't seem to make any sense. But if you look at a line chart, you'll start to see that they make perfect sense. Like, for example, the purple lines here. I could even slightly bring that down. Resistance, 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 support, and support. I perfectly encapsulate that line. If I go back to the candlestick, you'll see that it looks like, ooh, you're cutting off bodies here. Not sure if that's right. But we go to a very high level with our trend line drawing, and there's many levels of this, and I barely scratch the surface with the videos in the short amount of time that I have here. We go into much greater detail in our mentorships. But anyway, Mark is healing up. Hopefully by the end of the week, going into the beginning of next week, we'll start to see his videos again. He is popping into the Grokstar chat room from time to time, and for very short amounts of time. He's healing up from a kidney well, he had a rollerblade accident, damage to kidney, which put him in the hospital for 9 days. It's a long time. So we're glad to have you back on the upswing, Mark. Get healthy and get well. And to all you guys out there in trader world and in the trader land, thank you for being a user. You're a You're one user from tens of thousands who come from 155 countries to watch us. Take care and very safe trading to you.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.